Hello guys, I'm Sudarshan Koirala and welcome back to Data Science Basics. In this video, I just want to show you how you can install Ollama, how you can download the LLMs locally, how you can install OpenCode, how you can configure that with the Ollama models or the models downloaded via Ollama, and then you can use the OpenCode with local LLMs. Why I'm creating this video is because I had created this 1 hour long video. You can go to my YouTube channel. If you want in-depth knowledge about OpenCode, I highly recommend to go to this video with just 70k GitHub stars. But now if you go, it is already 84k in just like approximately 4 days, right? You can see like 14,000 more stars already in GitHub, and it is becoming more and more popular. In this video, how you can get started with local LLMs so that you can also test this in just minutes, right? First thing first, you need to download the Ollama, right? There are different ways. I'll provide the link in the description of the video. This is the macOS. You need to download for Linux. Just click the Linux. You can copy the command, go to your terminal, and then just paste this, and it will allow you to download. And then there is the Windows. When you download the macOS version, follow the download for macOS. It requires macOS 14 or later versions. So once that is installed, you can go to the terminal. I have the terminal open. If I do Ollama and it shows something like this, then we know that there is Ollama installed. And you can do Ollama list if you want to see what are the models downloaded. I have already downloaded 2 models here, GPT OSS 20 billion parameters, and this is this Qwen 3 VL2B. I just downloaded before so that I can show you directly here. Now let's go to the website and go to this model section. If you are working with the agents, I recommend you to go with these tools and the thinking part. There are different models. Depending upon your hardware or the machine that you are using, choose the model that best fits your need. But one thing that you need to be taking care here is that with this AI coding assistant, if your machine is not able of handling a little bit more or bigger models, then it will be a little bit difficult for you to get, well, you can get started. To get the answer properly, you need to have either big machine if you want to use the bigger powerful machine, if you want to have these local models. If not, then you need to go with other providers so that you can just provide the API key and you can connect to the LLMs. That is what you need to be thinking. But here, for demonstration purpose, I was going to show you with this Qwen 3 VL. You can see here it has these 2B parameters. Go inside this one. Here there is this Qwen 3 VL2B. Copy this part, and now you can see you can just use Ollama run. I will go to the terminal. I can say Ollama run, and if I do Control V, this is spelling mistake here, Ollama, and it is already downloaded. Here you can see Qwen 3, and it's already downloaded. It just says okay, ask me the question. I can say hi, and you can see it is quite fast, and it's fast here because it's just 2B, and my machine has 36 GB of RAM. Although I'm recording and all these things in the same machine, because it's small, I get the fast response. But if I use the powerful or big models, then it will be so, although I have 36 GB of RAM. This you need to be considering, right? Now I will just cancel or exit from here. We completed the 2 step, right? If I go back here, I will go to the diagram. Install Ollama is done. Download LLM locally is done, right? Now third step is to install OpenCode. That is also quite simple. You go to this OpenCode website, go to this download now button, because it will show you different ways how to download. I've explained this in the 1 hour long course, but here you can just copy this in the terminal. For example, I copied this one. I will go to the terminal again. I will do Control V and I will run here. I have already installed this in my machine, and you can see it says that 1.1.32 is already installed. One thing I just want to mention is that depending upon which way you proceed, there might be different versions of OpenCode. I highly recommend you go with this call if you want the latest version. New versions are released frequently, and if you want to get the latest version, please check the one which is the latest one. You can just go there and do things, right? Now that is already being installed. Once I install the OpenCode, I can just do OpenCode in the terminal, and you can see that's it. Now OpenCode is opening here. This is the interface, and by default there are some models already there. You can see there are freely available models from OpenCode. If you want to experiment with those, it's fine. Here there are popular providers. You can go to the popular providers, but in this case I'm showing you from the Ollama. Ollama cloud can be configured using this connect. For example, I will do escape and I will do here, if I do connect and if I source for Ollama, you can see Ollama cloud, because we will be providing the API keys. This is not the way how we can do it. I will just exit this for now. Okay, I need to do escape. This is a little bit confusing for me sometimes. I will do exit. Now I will show you where I have already done the code, right? I will go to the GitHub. Here I will provide the link in the description also. We need to go to these particular folders, and this is for the Mac, right? I will just copy this part. I will be just copying this part until here. I don't need MCP and plugin. I have explained that in my 1-hour crash course, but I will just copy this one. I will go to the terminal. I need to go to CD. So this is the home, right? CD home. I will go inside config, and inside config there is OpenCode. If I do lslia, then you can see there is no config.json. I will be creating that. I will open this in VS Code. What I can do is code config.json, and now this file will be opening in VS Code, and here I will just do Control V. Okay, now it's there. What I'm doing here is I'm saying schema, I'm providing the config.json here, provider Ollama, and we need to have this OpenAI compatible, and then there is this Ollama. I just take this from the documentation, and you need to providing this HTTP localhost, because that is where the Ollama will be listening. And then models, this is the model I downloaded, and I'm giving the name Queen 3. But just for you to make sure if this is running or not, what you can do is copy this part, go to the terminal and do call and localhost, and it says Ollama is running. This is another way you can test. Now let me show you the diagram. I install Ollama, download the models, install the OpenCode, configure the Ollama, and now we need to use that with the Ollama models, right? I will go here and now open the OpenCode. By default the model will be something provided by the OpenCode Zen. Now I will go here and do models. You can see now here there is this Queen 3 Ollama. That is where we provided the model. I will just choose or select this one, and now you can see it says build Queen 3 Ollama local. Here I can just say hello, and now it is using the model that I downloaded locally via Ollama. As you can see, with just this small model also, it is taking some time to provide me the answer. This is what you need to be taking care, which I already mentioned you, that if you want to run the agents or this AI coding agents, don't expect these small models, and if you don't have the powerful hardware, don't expect the answer to be correct. It is taking some time. Hello, how can I assist you today? It took 1 minute and 17 seconds just to answer this. I hope you get the point. That's all I wanted to show you in this video, because many of you don't want to go through that 1 hour long, but want to get started with OpenCode and use these local models via Ollama. I hope you liked the video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me motivate to create new videos like this in the future. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.